Right now, at this very moment, Nissei products are at work supporting society in Japan and around the world. What we produce is power. The power to move. The power to transmit. Aiming to be a leading company in manufacturing reducers, gear motors, and gears that fundamentally support our society, we will continue to focus our efforts on creating environmentally friendly products that all can trust and rely on. We apply the expertise, technical capabilities that we've cultivated over our 70-year history and our unceasing passion for manufacturing. We are here to work to keep this planet a beautiful and comfortable place to live. Nissei Corporation. Anzhoushi, Aichi Prefecture. In addition to the main plant, Nissei Corporation has two other large-scale plants located here. As a leading manufacturer of transmission equipment in Japan, Nissei produces 18 million small gears of various types and 550,000 reducers annually. Our history begins in 1942. Nissei was established to supply sewing machine parts to Nippon Sewing Machine Manufacturing Company, now Brother Industries Limited. Based on the gear technologies developed in that enterprise, the company started manufacturing small gears in 1955. This led to die casting, as well as development and application of various technologies, with Nissei launching full-scale manufacturing and sales of reducers and other power transmissions under the company's own GTR brand in 1974. Nissei has since grown to command a leading share in two markets, gears and reducers. Demonstrating the synergies of the Brother Group, we are working on Nissei's further development. One of Nissei's two main businesses, gear manufacturing, boasts a production system that is in the industry's top class and features approximately 120 Gleason gear cutting machines. Nissei works alongside the customer right from the development stages, whether the order is for a prototype or a mass production part. All of the processes from receipt of order, machining, and inspection to final completion are streamlined in-house in our integrated production system. We are always ready to respond flexibly to our customers' varying needs. We have also developed our own original gear cutting machine, commercializing HRH, high-ratio hypoid gears featuring high reduction ratios. Compared to reduction ratios obtained with conventional gears in the neighborhood of 10:1, Nissei has achieved reduction ratios of up to 360:1, allowing construction of more compact mechanisms. In automobiles, boats, machine tools, and a variety of other products, Nissei's compact gears are widely used. At Nissei, we respond to the needs in this age of diversification with our original total gear technologies. In addition to gear cutting and heat treatment, we conduct other processes in reducer manufacturing in-house with our own equipment, from die casting to painting, motor processing, and assembly. This enables us to produce over 90% of our gear motor components in-house, resulting in a leaner manufacturing and delivery system that allows us to ship any of our 170,000 standard products in 3 days. Nissei gear motors are lighter, more compact, and more efficient. Since the debut of the GTR line, attachment component dimensions have become more standardized and uniform, thus simplifying replacement of the product. Nissei aims to manufacture products that our customers will choose for their ease of use. This is what makes Nissei's power to move so useful in conveyors, automatic doors, ETCs, and many other applications found in our society. Aiming to be a leading company in power and transmission equipment, Nissei promotes environmentally friendly manufacturing practices that further improve products. In 2000, we acquired certification in the ISO 9001 International Standard for Quality Management System, and we've worked hard ever since to ensure thorough quality control. By 2008, all of our plants and offices in Japan had acquired certification in ISO 14001, the international standard for environmental management systems. Countries around the world continue to implement more stringent environmental regulations. Nissei has been quick to respond with development of energy-saving products with an intense focus on manufacturing environmentally friendly products. We turn our gaze to the future of society and industry. In 2011, our first production base overseas was completed to make inroads to the Chinese market. The establishment of our manufacturing subsidiary, Nissei Gear Motor Manufacturing, Changzhou Company Limited, represented one step towards our globalization. In Japan, in order to meet increasing needs for gears used in robots and machine tools, we have established a precision gear production plant in the site of our headquarters. Building a spacious cafeteria for employees, gardens, and a showroom for our customers, Nissei is further pursuing satisfaction of all. This is because there is a sort of power that only we convey. A mission for us to accomplish. Through independence, creativity, and teamwork, we will continue to manufacture products for the benefit of our customers and society.